Do you feel tired even after sleeping well, struggle with low energy during the day, or experience brain fog and weakness for no clear reason? These are some of the most common signs of vitamin B12 deficiency, a nutrient your body desperately needs to produce energy, protect your nerves, and support brain function. In today's video, we're uncovering 11 powerful foods rich in vitamin B12 that can naturally restore your energy levels, improve focus, support red blood cell production, and help you feel stronger and more alert every single day, without depending on supplements. Let's get started. Number 1. Clams. Clams are one of the most powerful and concentrated natural sources of vitamin B12, making them a true superfood for energy and vitality. Even a small serving of clams can provide several times your daily B12 requirement, which plays a crucial role in red blood cell formation and oxygen delivery throughout the body. When your cells receive enough oxygen, your energy levels naturally increase, and feelings of fatigue and weakness begin to fade. This makes clams especially beneficial for people who feel constantly drained or experience low stamina. Beyond vitamin B12, clams are also rich in iron, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids, all of which support heart health, brain function, and endurance. They help your muscles work more efficiently and reduce inflammation that can contribute to chronic tiredness. Including clams occasionally in your diet can significantly support energy production, improve mental clarity, and help you feel more physically capable throughout the day. Number 2. Beef liver. Beef liver is one of the most nutrient-dense foods you can eat, and an exceptional source of vitamin B12. It delivers a powerful boost to energy levels by supporting nerve health, brain function, and the production of healthy red blood cells. Vitamin B12 is essential for converting the food you eat into usable energy, and beef liver provides it in a highly absorbable form. This makes it especially valuable for people dealing with persistent fatigue, weakness, or low motivation. In addition to vitamin B12, beef liver contains iron, vitamin A, folate, and choline, all of which work together to support metabolism and cognitive performance. While liver isn't typically eaten daily, even consuming it once or twice a month can dramatically improve B12 levels and overall vitality. For those feeling exhausted despite eating enough calories, beef liver can help restore energy from the inside out. Before we move to the next food, make sure to like the video. It really helps the channel grow and allows us to keep bringing you high-quality health content like this. Number 3. Sardines. Sardines are small in size but incredibly powerful when it comes to nutrition, especially vitamin B12 content. They are an excellent food for boosting energy naturally because vitamin B12 helps maintain healthy nerve function and supports the production of red blood cells. When these systems work properly, your body can transport oxygen more efficiently, reducing fatigue and improving endurance throughout the day. Sardines are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which support brain health, reduce inflammation, and improve mood and focus. Because sardines are low on the food chain, they are typically lower in mercury compared to larger fish, making them safer for regular consumption. Adding sardines to your diet can help stabilize energy levels, support mental clarity, and prevent the sluggishness associated with vitamin B12 deficiency. Number 4. Salmon. Salmon is a well-known superfood that provides an excellent amount of vitamin B12 alongside high-quality protein and healthy fats. Vitamin B12 from salmon plays a key role in cellular energy production, helping your body convert nutrients into fuel more efficiently. This results in improved stamina, better concentration, and reduced feelings of exhaustion, especially during long or stressful days. Salmon is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which support brain health, heart function, and inflammation control. These fats work together with vitamin B12 to enhance mental performance and stabilize mood. Regular salmon consumption can help prevent energy crashes, improve recovery after physical activity, and support long-term nervous system health. Number 5. Tuna. Tuna is another excellent source of vitamin B12 that supports sustained energy and mental alertness. Vitamin B12 is essential for proper nerve signaling, and tuna helps ensure that your nervous system functions smoothly without fatigue or weakness. This makes tuna particularly beneficial for people who feel mentally drained or struggle with focus throughout the day. In addition to B12, tuna provides lean protein that helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing sudden energy dips. Its nutrient profile supports muscle function, brain clarity, and overall endurance. Including tuna in your meals a few times per week can help maintain steady energy levels and support an active lifestyle. Number 6. Lean beef. Lean beef is a reliable and powerful source of vitamin B12 that supports energy metabolism and nervous system health. Vitamin B12 helps your body break down carbohydrates, fats, and proteins into usable energy, and lean beef provides this nutrient without excessive fat. This makes it ideal for people seeking sustained energy without feeling heavy or sluggish after meals. Lean beef also contains iron and zinc, which work alongside vitamin B12 to improve oxygen transport and immune function. Together, these nutrients help reduce fatigue, increase physical strength, and support mental focus. Regular consumption of lean beef can help prevent B12 deficiency and maintain consistent energy levels, especially for those with demanding physical or mental routines. Number 7. Eggs. Eggs are a convenient and widely available source of vitamin B12, especially for people who don't consume much meat. The yolk contains most of the B12, which supports nerve health, brain function, and energy production. Eating whole eggs can help prevent the sluggishness and weakness often associated with low B12 levels. Eggs also provide high-quality protein and essential fats that help you feel full and energized for longer periods. This makes them particularly effective for improving morning energy and preventing midday crashes. Including eggs regularly in your diet can support sustained focus, muscle strength, and overall vitality. Number 8. Milk. Milk is a simple yet highly effective source of vitamin B12 that is easy for the body to absorb. The B12 in milk supports nerve signaling, red blood cell formation, and energy production, helping reduce fatigue and mental fog. For people who experience low energy early in the day, milk can help replenish B12 levels quickly and naturally. Milk also provides protein and essential minerals that help stabilize blood sugar and maintain steady energy levels. Consuming milk regularly can support muscle function, brain performance, and overall stamina. It is especially beneficial for individuals who prefer lighter foods or struggle to meet their B12 needs through meat alone. Number 9. Breakfast cereals. Breakfast cereals, particularly fortified cereals, are an important source of vitamin B12 for people who follow plant-based or low-meat diets. Since natural plant foods do not contain vitamin B12, fortified cereals play a critical role in preventing deficiency. Vitamin B12 supports energy production, brain function, and red blood cell formation, making it essential for daily vitality. Choosing whole-grain, low-sugar cereals can provide a steady release of energy while supporting B12 intake. Regular consumption can help prevent symptoms like weakness, dizziness, and mental fog. For busy mornings, fortified cereals offer a convenient and effective way to support energy levels. Number 10. Yogurt. Yogurt is an easily digestible food that provides vitamin B12 while also supporting gut health. The vitamin B12 in yogurt helps maintain nerve function and supports efficient energy metabolism. Because digestion plays a major role in nutrient absorption, yogurt's probiotics can indirectly enhance B12 utilization. Regular yogurt consumption can help reduce fatigue, improve mental clarity, and support immune health. It is especially beneficial for people with digestive issues that may interfere with nutrient absorption. Including yogurt in your daily routine can support both energy and overall well-being. Number 11. Cheese. Cheese is a flavorful and satisfying source of vitamin B12 that supports nervous system health and sustained energy. Vitamin B12 in cheese helps maintain brain function, reduces fatigue, and supports healthy nerve cells. Its combination of protein and fat slows digestion, helping maintain stable energy levels throughout the day. While cheese should be consumed in moderation, it can play an important role in preventing B12 deficiency, especially for those who rely on dairy-based nutrients. Including cheese as part of a balanced diet can support vitality, focus, and long-term energy stability. Vitamin B12 is essential for energy, focus, and nervous system health, and the best way to maintain healthy levels is through nutrient-dense foods. By regularly including these 11 vitamin B12-rich foods in your diet, you can naturally fight fatigue, improve mental clarity, and support long-lasting energy throughout the day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's always feeling tired. And let us know in the comments, which of these foods do you eat most often?